Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot. This is the Wreath Ring knot. Kind of a new style of knot here. So this is my left side, it's at the belt line. We're gonna put it there, right there. We're gonna put in a fold, and that's what we got right there. So I'm gonna bring the skin in over the center. And the thing about the ring knots now is that they're gonna be started with a cylinder base, gonna go around once, go around twice, like that. Kind of tighten it up. And then we're gonna do, usually, you'll probably just do one ring over the middle like that for you to see the ring, because that's the ring right there. But since we're doing a wreath ring, I mean the ring will always be a wreath, but since we're doing a wreath ring, we'll exaggerate the ring a little bit and do another layer right there. Kind of make it bigger. And do another wreath like that. There we have that. Now, pretty simple to do. Now let's put my collar down here and we'll fix this up. There you have the wreath ring. So this right here is your ring right here. It's made out of a wreath, and there's a ring right around the cylinder base. So that's kind of a new style that I'm gonna start using a lot. So on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.